Welcome to our roundup of the best car OBD2 scanners. Essential diagnostic tools designed to help drivers identify vehicle issues, monitor engine performance, and save time and money on repairs. Whether you're checking engine warning lights, monitoring vehicle health, or performing regular maintenance, a reliable OBD2 scanner can make diagnosing problems faster and more convenient. Modern OBD2 scanners come with live data monitoring, error code reading, battery testing, emissions checks, and compatibility with a wide range of vehicles for improved usability and efficiency. Many models also include color displays, advanced diagnostic functions, real-time performance tracking, and user-friendly interfaces for both beginners and experienced users. Choosing the right OBD2 scanner can improve troubleshooting accuracy, reduce repair costs, and help keep your vehicle running smoothly. Let's take a closer look at some of the best car OBD2 scanners available right now. Starting with the Zmun ZM201 Professional OBD2 Scanner. This model is a great option for users looking for advanced diagnostic functionality, reliable code reading, and practical performance for everyday vehicle maintenance tasks. It typically features full OBD2 diagnostic support that allows users to read and clear engine fault codes, check emissions readiness, and monitor real-time vehicle data more efficiently. The built-in display provides clear information for easier navigation and faster diagnosis during troubleshooting. Many versions include battery testing functions and live sensor data monitoring, helping users better understand vehicle performance and engine conditions. Its compact handheld design makes it convenient to store in the glove compartment or toolbox for quick access when needed. Additionally, it delivers reliable scanning performance and accurate diagnostic results across different vehicle types. Next up is the Incel AD410 Enhanced OBD2 Scanner, a versatile and dependable option designed for balanced diagnostic performance, user-friendly operation, and wide vehicle compatibility. This model typically features enhanced code reading capabilities that help users identify engine problems quickly and clear warning lights without needing professional assistance. The color display improves visibility and makes navigation through menus easier during operation. Many versions include live data graphing, freeze frame analysis, and emissions testing support for more detailed vehicle diagnostics. Its ergonomic design and intuitive controls make it suitable for both beginners and experienced car owners. Additionally, it provides stable diagnostic performance and consistent scanning accuracy during regular use. Moving on to the Auto Professional OBD2 Scanner. This model is known for its professional-grade functionality, advanced diagnostic features, and strong compatibility across a wide range of vehicle brands. It typically features fast system scanning combined with real-time data monitoring, allowing users to diagnose issues more efficiently and accurately. Many versions include advanced functions such as ABS diagnostics, transmission checks, battery analysis, and enhanced fault reporting for deeper vehicle inspection. The responsive interface and high-resolution display improve overall user experience during operation. Its durable construction and reliable software system make it suitable for both home garages and professional workshop environments. Additionally, it delivers efficient diagnostic performance and dependable results across different vehicle systems. It also enhances diagnostic precision, improves functionality, and supports advanced automotive troubleshooting tasks. Stepping up in performance, the Foxwell NT301 OBD2 scanner offers a strong balance of advanced features, fast scanning capability, and dependable long-term reliability for serious vehicle diagnostics. This model typically features accurate code reading and live data streaming that help users monitor engine performance and identify problems quickly. The large color screen and easy navigation system improve readability and make vehicle analysis more convenient during operation. Many versions include built-in I/M readiness testing, oxygen sensor testing, and detailed fault code explanations for better understanding of vehicle issues. Its strong compatibility with most OBD2-supported vehicles makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. Additionally, it delivers stable scanning performance and accurate diagnostic results across different driving conditions. Taking the top spot is the MotoPower MP69033 OBD2 scanner, a highly reliable and user-friendly option designed for quick diagnostics, practical everyday use, and excellent overall value. This model typically features plug-and-play functionality that allows users to connect and begin scanning without complicated setup procedures. The clear LCD display and simple button layout make it easier to read fault codes, monitor vehicle status, and navigate menus efficiently. Many versions include built-in DDC lookup libraries, live data monitoring, freeze frame viewing, and emissions readiness checks for more complete diagnostics. Its compact and lightweight design makes it convenient for both home users and drivers who want a portable scanner for emergency situations. The durable construction helps ensure reliable long-term performance during regular use. Additionally, it delivers fast diagnostic results and consistent scanning accuracy across multiple vehicle brands. All of these car OBD2 scanners serve different needs depending on features, diagnostic depth, and ease of use. The Zmun ZM201 model offers advanced diagnostics with practical, everyday functionality. The Incel AD410 model provides balanced performance and enhanced usability. The Autel model delivers professional-grade diagnostics and advanced vehicle analysis. The Foxwell NT301 model offers detailed monitoring and strong compatibility across different vehicles. And the MotoPower MP69033 model stands out as the most user-friendly and well-rounded option overall. That wraps up our list of the best car OBD2 scanners, from beginner-friendly code readers to advanced diagnostic tools designed for professional-level troubleshooting. Whether you're checking engine warning lights, monitoring vehicle performance, or maintaining your car more efficiently, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which scanner you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and keep your vehicle running smoothly with the right OBD2 scanner.